Assalamu alaikum, my dear grade 5 students. Here is your English teacher. I hope you all will be in good health. Let's start our today's class. So just open your English language textbook. Okay, open your English language textbook. Open page number 14. Page number 14. On page number 14, we have a topic related to grammar. And the topic is common and proper nouns. Common and proper nouns. This is our topic of concern for today. Today we are going to study about common and proper noun. But before proceeding, we first have to know about noun, like what noun is. I'm sure you would have learned about noun in your previous grades, in your previous classes. So let's do the recap of that. Noun. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place or thing. Noun is a naming word, and it can be a person, it can be a place, or it can be a thing. There are many types of noun. Let's read about them. Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. In person we can say girl, boy, man, woman, old lady, young boy. So a person, okay? Place can be any place like Pakistan, India, park, zoo, okay? And thing can be anything like pencil, eraser, table, chair, bed, okay? So what is a noun? Noun is a naming word, and it can be any person, place or thing. Now we have many types of noun, and today we are going to study about them. Common nouns and proper nouns. What are common nouns? Definition of common noun is a noun that names general items, people, places or things. Common noun is a noun that names general items, okay? General things, general person, general people, places or things. For example, garden. Now it can be any garden. There is no specific name given to the garden, okay? Boy. Now there is no specific boy. Boy can be any boy. Girl. Now it can be any girl, no specific name is given here. City, any city, general, it is general talking. Country, okay? So it's a name but it is general, okay? It's not specific, it's not particular. The next is proper nouns. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place or thing. When you talk about a particular, about a specific person or place or thing, then that would be a proper noun. For example, Jinnah Park. There was garden. Now we don't know which garden or which park, but there they have given us a particular name for the park, which is Jinnah Park. Okay. Then in common noun we had, in persons or in people we had boy. Now we don't know which particular boy are we talking about. So they gave us a particular name here, Ali. When you talk about a particular boy and you give the name of that boy, then that would be a proper noun, okay? And if you just say boy, so then that would be a common noun. So boy is Ali, you can see here. Then the next thing is Alia. Alia. Now Alia is a name of a girl, a particular name, a specific name, so it's a proper noun. Quetta is a city in Pakistan and it is a here they just have said city, but here they gave us a particular name for the city, which is Quetta. So it is a proper noun. And in country we have Pakistan here, so it is a proper noun. Understand? So we have two types of noun, common nouns and proper noun. When we are talking of general things, general person or place or thing, then that would be a common noun. And if we give the name to a particular person, place or thing, then that would be a proper noun. Understand? Now turn to page number 15. So on page number 15 you can see here is an exercise A. Circle the common nouns. You know what are common nouns when we are talking about general things. So we have to circle the common nouns in the following sentences and underline the proper nouns. If there is any proper noun in the sentence, we will underline it. Okay. Here is a hint given to us. The hint is proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Whenever there is a proper noun in a sentence, it will always be written, it will always begin with a capital letter. Okay. Common nouns begin with a small letter. Okay. You have to keep in mind this hint that proper nouns are always written and it always begins with a capital letter, while common nouns begin, they starts with a small letter. Now let's see what is the first sentence. Ali is a hard-working boy. Ali is a hard-working boy. Now you can see here, Ali is the name of a particular boy. So here Ali is a proper noun, so I will underline Ali. And boy is a common noun, so I will circle the word boy. Understand? Now the second sentence is Model Town Park is the best park in Lahore. Now in this sentence we have two proper nouns and one common noun. Model Town Park, it is the name of a particular park, so it is a proper noun and I will underline it. Lahore is the name of a particular city, I will underline it. And park is a common noun, so I will circle it. The third sentence is Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan. In this sentence again we have two proper nouns and one common noun. So the proper noun is Islamabad, it's the name of a particular city. Pakistan is the name of a particular country. And city is a common noun, so I will circle this term. The fourth sentence is Anaya is the brightest girl in her class. Now Anaya, you can see all the proper nouns are starting with capital letter and all the common nouns are starting with the small letter. So Anaya is a proper noun, I will underline it. Girl is a common noun, I will circle it. And class is also a common noun. We don't know about any specific or particular class, so we will circle it as well. Football is the most popular sport in Europe. Now football is the name of a particular sport, of a specific sport, so I will underline it. Sport is a common noun, I will circle it. And Europe is a proper noun. You can see it is starting with the capital letter, so I will underline it. The next sentence is the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean, you can see it's beginning with the capital letter and it is the name of a particular ocean, so I will underline it. And here ocean is a common noun, it is starting with a small letter, I will circle it. Iskandar Mirza was the first president of Pakistan. In this sentence we have two proper nouns and one common noun. The two proper nouns are Iskandar Mirza, it's the name of a president. Pakistan, it's the name of a country. And president is a common noun, so I will circle it. The eighth sentence here we have, there are 20 girls and 40 boys in class 5. Now you can see girls, common noun, boys, common noun, and class 7, sorry, it's class 7. Class 7, it's a proper noun, so I will underline it. Ninth sentence is Markhor is the national animal of Pakistan. Here Markhor is the name of a particular animal, so it is a proper noun, it is starting with capital letter. Pakistan is a proper noun. Animal is a common noun. We will circle it. And the last sentence is Earth is the only planet that has life. Earth is the name of a particular planet, so I will underline it. And planet can be any planet, it's a common noun, so I will circle it. I hope you would have understood today's lecture and it was easy. Hope you would have understand. Thank you all. It's enough for today. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.